The flag of Argentina consists of 3 horizontal stripes of equal width, light blue on top, white in the middle, and light blue on the bottom. The flag's design holds several symbolic meanings. Blue stripes. The light blue stripes represent the clear skies and the numerous waterways that surround Argentina. They symbolize the ideals of truth, loyalty, and justice. White stripe. The white stripe represents peace and honesty. It stands for unity and purity of intentions. Sun of May. Located at the center of the white stripe, the Sun of May is a golden yellow sun with a face. It has a human face with facial features similar to those of the sun god Inti, worshipped by the indigenous peoples of the region. The Sun of May represents the Inca sun god and signifies the May Revolution of 1810. This revolution led to the independence of Argentina from Spanish colonial rule. The flag was adopted on July 20, 1816, and its design has remained unchanged since then. The blue and white colors are also associated with the House of Bourbon, which ruled Spain during the time of Argentina's struggle for independence.